Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. Today, we're tackling a super handy feature in Google Photos for 2025. How to select all your photos at once. Whether you're cleaning up your library, backing up files, or sharing memories, this method saves you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the Google Photos app updated to the latest version for 2025. This ensures you get all the new enhancements, like smoother interfaces and faster selections. Open the app on your smartphone or tablet. It's available for both Android and iOS users. Once you're in, head to your main photo library. You'll see all your albums, photos, and videos laid out. Now, to select everything, tap on the Select button, usually found in the top right corner. It looks like a checkbox icon. In the 2025 update, Google has made this even more intuitive, with a prominent Select All option right there. Tap Select All, and voila, every photo and video in your library will be highlighted. If you have a massive collection, don't worry, the app handles it quickly. But remember, this might include items in subfolders, so double-check if needed. If you're on the web version, log into photos.google.com, go to your library, and click the checkbox at the top to select all. One quick tip. If you accidentally select items you don't want, you can deselect them individually by tapping again. This is great for fine-tuning. Also, once selected, you can delete, download, or share them with ease. Perfect for organizing that photo dump from your last vacation. And there you have it. You've just mastered selecting all photos in Google Photos for 2025. It's a simple feature, but it makes a big difference in managing your digital memories. If you found this tutorial helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.